Why are water bubbles round? Why can this water strider walk on water? Why do belly flops hurt so much? It is all because of surface tension. Let us perform a very simple experiment to show what water surface tension really does. It's time for science. What do we need for this experiment? Water, a cup, a spoon, and paper clips. We fill our cup with the water as high as possible without it spilling. We add the last few drops with a spoon to assure it's completely full. Can you guess how many paper clips can we add to this cup without spilling the water? 1? Fewer than 50? More than 50? Only after 165 paper clips, the water spilled over. Well, what happened here? One of water's important properties is that it is composed of polar molecules. But what is polarity? Imagine this to be a water molecule. The red circle represents an atom of oxygen. It binds to the two hydrogen atoms represented by the blue circles. Water is a polar molecule, which means that it has a negative side at the oxygen atom and a positive side at the hydrogen atom. As a result of water polarity, water molecule attracts other water molecules because of the opposite charges between them. More exactly, one hydrogen atom of a water molecule is attracted to the oxygen of another molecule. This is the reason why drops of water stick to each other and stay compact together although they are liquid. This is also why the surface of water bulged and formed a dome on top of our cup when we added the paper clips. This is called surface tension. You can see that when we add a paper clip, the surface of the water is shaking, forming waves, but the water droplets stayed together and no water spilled over. Once too many paper clips were added to the cup, the surface tension was broken, allowing the water to spill over. Because of the water surface, air bubbles are pressed together in the water and form the smallest possible round shape. The water strider uses the surface tension to walk on water. Breaking through the water surface with your belly on a belly flop hurts because there are strong forces acting on your skin when you break through the water surface tension. Congratulations! Now you know what water surface tension is.